Sure. Celebration in Cana. Merited disciples of Jesus. This man is worthy. This man is worthy. Gonna do whatever I say. Do whatever I gonna say to you, the disciples of Jesus. Oh, they brought the bucket of full of water. And Mary, do whatever I gonna say to you. There was celebration in Cana. Jesus prayed it and turned it into wine. Oh, Jesus, celebration in Cana. He's worthy, Jesus. He's worthy, Jesus. Now Jesus is gone in heaven. Mary's crying. The master has gone. Siku wakula halile ulimwe. Yesu waluta. Siku wakula halile ulimwe. Yesu wako. Siku wakula halile ulimwe. No. Yo. Here's the tribute to my mother. Yeah. And the late brothers, Kevin, Stewart, and James. Especially my sister. To my mommy, I praise you, oh Lord. Yeah. Siku wakula halile uliwe, halila mama. Siku wakula halile maiwashe iwe. Yesu waluta. Siku wakula chano chino nono iwe. Yesu wakula. Siku wakula chemu waluta iwe. Yesu waluta. Yo. Akawapa wemi mama sono akulira wakumtontoza palije pano pasiko la pasi wangana kuchanya na pasi pano pause payuma na mumachi kose kuliche viwemi. One love. Yeah. Oh, Yesu waluta. Siku wakula halile ulimwe. Yesu waluta. Siku wakula wakoma Yesu imwe. Yesu waluta. Siku wakula njalo chino nono imwe. Yesu waluta. Yo, this is Shiwa Papa.
Arike Production Music.
This HK Production.